Fungi are useful to man in several ways. Some of them are edible and serve as food. Many fungi, such as mushroom, agaricus and morchella, are eaten as food and cultivated on a commercial basis. While mushrooms are eaten with relish, others, like yeast, are considered to be a rich source of protein for human beings and animals. Yeast is also known to be a source of vitamin B complex and riboflavin. Now, yeast not only serves as nutritious food, but are also very beneficial for the food processing industry. They help make bread, traditional food items like idli, dosa, dhokla and khamman, as well as alcohol. To make bread, yeast is added to uncooked dough. The dough rises due to the exhalation of carbon dioxide by the yeast. When the bread is baked, the carbon dioxide escapes, leaving porous and light bread behind. The carbon dioxide is collected, solidified and sold as dry ice. Due to its use in bread making, the yeast Saccharomyces cerevisiae is also known as baker's yeast. Similarly, to prepare idli and dosa, the mixture of grounded rice and dal is allowed to stand overnight. Due to the growth of yeast cells, this mixture rises and sours, thus lending the sour flavor to idli and dosa. In case of dhokla and khamman, the batter is prepared in a similar manner with Bengal gram dal. It is left overnight to be fermented by microbes. Yeast also helps in producing beer and wine. Yeast ferments the sugars present in fruit juices or barley with the help of the enzyme zymase to produce alcohol and carbon dioxide. In industries, yeasts are grown in large vessels called fermenters, which are used to make beverages like wine, beer, whiskey, brandy, and rum on a large scale. This is the same principle used in the production of toddy, a traditional drink in South India, made by fermenting the sap of the palm tree. The yeast Saccharomyces cerevisiae is used to produce vinegar. Fungi are useful in the cheese industry. Some fungi, like penicillium, are added to cheese to impart a specific flavor. Renin is produced by using Mucor pusillus and is used to coagulate milk to prepare cheese. For example, Roquefort cheese acquires its characteristic flavor due to a specific fungus called Penicillium roqueforti that is used to ripen it. Penicillium and Aspergillus are also used to produce organic acids. Aspergillus niger is used to produce large quantities of citric acid from cornstarch and molasses, which is used in the soft drinks industry. Oxalic acid is also a fermentation product of Aspergillus niger. Aspergillus niger, along with other fungi such as Candida rugosa, help in the production of enzymes like industrial lipases that are used in detergents for their ability to remove oily stains. Likewise, pectinases and proteases produced by fungi such as Aspergillus niger are used in bottled fruit juices for clarification. That is why bottled fruit juices you buy in a shop are so much clearer than those made at home. In addition, the enzyme cellulase produced by Trichoderma resi is used for softening and brightening fabrics. In addition to enzymes, fungi also help in the production of antibiotics. Penicillium notatum and Penicillium chrysogenum are fungi that produce life-saving antibiotics like penicillin. Antibiotics are chemicals produced by some microbes that can kill or check other harmful disease-causing microbes. In Greek, the word antibiotic means against life, that is, against the life of harmful disease-causing microbes. Did you know that penicillin was accidentally discovered by Alexander Fleming, and that it was this discovery that led to the development of other antibiotics? Fungi also have other uses in medicine. Statins produced by the yeast Monascus purpureus are used to lower blood cholesterol. Cyclosporin A is another useful offering from the fungus Trichoderma polysporum. It is administered as an immunosuppressant to organ transplant patients so that their immune system doesn't reject the transplant. Lastly, fungi play an important role in maintaining mineral cycles in nature. Saprophytic fungi decompose dead plants and animal remains by returning chemicals and nutrients to the soil, which are later taken up by living plants and animals. Therefore, fungi are very significant microbes since they offer several benefits to human beings.